Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Carlos. I spoke with you earlier today. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company and explain how websites work on Google, generating yourself some more exposure and getting some more business. Now, the content, backlinks, and citations are three key factors I wanted to go over. So start with the basics. Of course, everything you type in here into the Google search bar is considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria or the search for what you typed in here. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is what that's called. Now, below that, we have the map section, the map pack. Right here, ranking in the map section in the map pack is related to your Google business profile and the area of coverage that you are listing that you cover. Local traffic, a lot of local traffic is generated here when you're listed in the map section, and that creates a lot of leads and business sales. Along with your Google business profile, you want citations attached to that, and a citation is anything that lists your name, address, and phone number that reflects your business profile, and that is how you create a rank structure within the maps. Citations come from directories like Yellow Pages and BBB, Angie, Yelp. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and start moving up the rank structure. Now, underneath the maps, if you ever wondered how do companies get on the first page of Google, because honestly, most people don't search past the first page of Google. So that comes with organic ranking underneath the map, and to rank organically, it comes with the content and the backlinks within your site. Now, advertisements like Yelp and Angie, they don't count. House, that doesn't count. But because we're doing construction company Fayetteville is what I looked up because you're in construction. So I want to give you an idea of how this works. So right here we have Southeastern Home Builders, or Fayetteville NC top rated. He's in number 4. This would be his website here. And what I have is a tool that I can use, and this tool is called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes with a company's website and how they rank. So I did mention backlinks are a ranking factor. Now backlinks are where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. And Google uses that to build trust. It's like a popularity contest. Not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, you wouldn't want a landscaping company, perhaps, linking back to you. It wouldn't carry as much weight and relevance as another construction company's website linking back to you and endorsing you. From that, you have 47 referring domains. They do from these backlinks connected to them. And when it comes to content and the SEO or the keyword, they have 68 keywords within their site generating 69 views of traffic per month. So to kind of give you a little touch on how this works. So the search volume per month based on the keyword or the phrase that was typed in up here is how Google will recognize this site. So we have general contractors, Fayetteville, 350. General contractor, Fayetteville, 300. Contractors, Fayetteville. Home builders in Fayetteville, 250, 450. So you quickly understand collectively when all these keywords are added up, that generates a lot of exposure to your website, which is potential clients and, of course, obviously leads and clients and sales. Now, I wanted to show one other comparison. He was number 4. So right here down in number 6, we have MS Square. Just to give you an idea of what he looks like and how he's there on the first page in position 6. His website and looking at him. Now he has 13 backlinks, 5 domains, 31 keywords, and 33 in the traffic. So either one of these competitors, you can have what they have. 31 keywords, you can have 75. He has 13 backlinks, you can have 50. It's very easy to position yourself within the ranks and to be recognized with Google and to get yourself the exposure that you need. A lot of companies will build websites, beautiful ones, but some of them will fall short when it comes to content and SEO, keywords, and backlinks. And it's kind of without those things coming together collectively into your website, your website won't be seen. You're not going to get the exposure that you were looking for. I like to say it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody can see it. So when you start to become endorsed by others and referred by other websites, and you have citations, and you have your Google Business Profile with your area of coverage, and you're generating local traffic, now you can understand how these companies get to the first page of Google and why they're there, and appreciate what it takes or what's needed to have a well-built site to bring you the value for the company and the exposure that you're looking for. So with that being said, I hope you have a better understanding of how this works. If you had any questions or concerns, I'd be more than happy to speak with you. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and have a good night.